Today we're going to discuss what a complaint is and how it begins a lawsuit. My name is Peter Lamont, and I'm a business and personal law attorney practicing here in the state of New Jersey. So, lawsuits obviously are initiated somehow, and the procedural means by which attorneys, or if you're representing yourself in a particular matter, begin a lawsuit is through the filing of a complaint. Now, what is a complaint? Well, first of all, it's a legal document, and it serves a variety of purposes. First of all, it identifies the parties in a lawsuit. There's the plaintiff, and that's the individual or individuals suing, and then there's the defendant or defendants. Now, any lawsuit could have multiple plaintiffs or multiple defendants. Aside from identifying the parties, it also identifies the legal causes of action or the legal claims that the plaintiff believes the defendant is guilty of violating. So it could be anything from an intentional tort, which would be something like tortious battery or intentional infliction of emotional distress. Or it could be something like a breach of a duty, negligence, typical breach of a duty to maintain your sidewalk in a safe condition, or a driving offense, negligence on the roadway. And the complaint basically outlines the factual issues, and then it discusses the allegations. That gives the defendant an opportunity to respond to those allegations. Now, separate from those two things, the complaint also preserves your rights under what's called the Statute of Limitations. Every case in the United States, or every cause of action, is governed by something called a Statute of Limitations. And that is a time period within which you have the ability to bring a lawsuit. Beyond the time period, you may be precluded forever, even if you have a valid claim. Each state is different, and each type of lawsuit is governed by a different statute of limitations. So by filing a complaint within the time period allotted, you've now preserved your rights under that statute of limitations. Now, the other thing that a complaint does is it sets forth what recovery you're seeking. It lets the court and the defendants know whether you want injunctive relief, in other words, you want somebody to stop doing something that they're doing, or that you want monetary damages or money as a result of the causes of action that you have alleged in the complaint. So, for example, if I were injured in a slip and fall case and I filed a complaint, my complaint would set forth my name as the plaintiff, and then it would list the defendants, and it would be ABC Shopping Center, let's say. Then in the body of the complaint, I would give some factual background for what happened. On July 4th, I was walking in the mall and I slipped and fell on a wet area on the ground. Then I would allege my specific theories, how they breached the law. And so in this case, I would be alleging negligence, and I would say that you had a duty of care to me and that you breached that duty of care by allowing the floor to be in a wet or dangerous condition. And that as a result of your negligence, I sustained damages, and my damages are injuries. Let's say I fractured my ankle. So now, when I'm done setting forth my legal theories, then I'm going to say, because of this, I want you to, well, what do I want you to do? I want you to pay me money for my medical bills and for my pain and suffering. So that's what a complaint does. It identifies the parties, it sets forth the facts, and then the legal theories upon which you seek relief, and then it identifies what relief it is that you're seeking. Now, if you have any questions about this video or you want to learn more about filing a complaint, I encourage you to pick up the phone and give me a call. I'm happy to answer any of your questions, and I answer legal questions just like this on a daily basis. You can reach me via telephone at 973-949-3770 or via email at plamont, that's PLAMONT, at peterlamontesq.com. Thank you for watching.